Alright guys, so back at you again. This video is going to be a little bit about Grom and how that whole thing came about. I did go to a local bike dealer like I told you guys before. I did pick up the Grom as you guys saw a couple of minutes ago. The Grom is amazing. The ride home was really dope. The bike is so light, so fun. Oh man, I had so much fun on the Grom. I didn't think I was gonna have that much fun on my little ride. The ride from the dealership to where I live was about, I want to say 15 miles, something like that. But I will tell you guys this. For someone, I've never rode, well, I've rode a bike before, but not to that, like not in traffic. It was like one of those little mini bikes, pocket bikes, that's what it was. And I just drove it around like the neighborhood, but never like on the streets. Basically, I just want to talk a little bit about the helmet that I picked up with the Grom. And the helmet that I have is a tracker helmet. It's from Fly Racing. Here's the manual to the helmet that I have, and I'll just show you guys the overall aesthetics of what the helmet looks like. So basically, this is what the helmet looks like from the side. This helmet, man, it feels so good. It is a DOT rated helmet, and it is Fly Racing tracker helmet. That's basically what it is. It's a large, because my noodle is huge. And man, I really like the way this helmet looks. It does look aggressive, but I'm not gonna leave it like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this wind guard visor. I don't really like it. I just like the look of the style and the aerodynamics of the actual helmet itself. So to take it off, basically all you do is take this off, take this guy off, and take that guy off. Man, I'm scratching it already. And then it comes with some covers for the side guard here that I'm gonna install on here. And man, I like the way it looks with those little side covers here. I think I can show you if it's in here. I think it is. No, it's just basically how to take it off. Oh, here's a small image of what it looks like with those side guards. Man, that looks really dope. So that's basically how I want the helmet to look. I am planning on getting the smoked visor, only because, man, the smoked visor just makes me feel more aggressive. The thing is, though, I wanted to get a gloves and jacket today. I just didn't have enough to get all of the necessary parts to the ground, but I do plan on getting a jacket. I'll bring you guys along on that trip, and I do plan on getting some basic gloves. I already have gloves lying around for home stuff. I'll just use those same gloves for the Grom when I go riding. The little bit that I did learn about the helmet, it does have 3 inlets. There's one on the front, 2 on the top, and then there's 1, 2. There's like 7, I think you said. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I'm not mistaken, this is 7. Yeah, so it's 7 exhausts and 3 in the front, which is really cool. There's 2 down here, there's 2 up top. Let me just take this visor off so I can get a better look. So welcome back. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the top. Now maybe I should read the instructions. So I'm gonna take off the sun visor. I had to basically read the manual real quick, and all you have to do is turn this top screw counterclockwise. Or whatever, man, I don't care. As long as it's off. Alright, so once it's off, this part I'm not gonna trash, I'm just not gonna use it. And this is what the helmet looks like bare. well, I won't say bare, but this is what the helmet looks like, and this is how I plan on keeping it. So inside of the box that the helmet came with was these parts here, and they are just to make the helmet look a little bit better and to cover up the holes where the screws were. So obviously one goes in the top where there was the top visor. So I'm gonna put this one up here. Give me 1 second, that's the wrong one. They're all the same. All right, whatever. So cover the top hole as that one, and then for the sides, I want to use these guys here, and then this basically sits like this on both sides of the helmet. I think that looks dope. I was looking to see if there was a quick release, but there does not seem to be one, which is fine. But to take it off, you just take off this screw here and take this guy off here, and then the visor will come right off. But once I get the smoke visor, then I'll do that part. But today, I just want to put these guys on like so, and then the screw goes back on. What is this? Is this the what I needed? Over here using the wrong part? Yeah. So like that. I think this looks a lot better too. So let me put on both.